When I tried this recipe for the first time, guys, it came out as an outstanding food combination for dinner. Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Mady Nutri-delish with Mama's Touch. When you don't have time and want to make something healthy and delicious, this unique Methi Paratha with Tawa Paneer is a must-try recipe loaded with nutrition and flavor. It's a quick recipe, so let's get started and check it out. To make Methi Paratha, I have used 1 large size grated carrot, 2 roughly chopped green chilies which is optional, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera and ajwain powder which aids digestion and prevents bloating. Also adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon mustard oil and mix it nicely. Then add in 1 teaspoon sof or mori, 1 cup whole wheat flour and half cup of roasted gram flour. As it is rich in protein, it makes the paratha more healthy and also gives nice crispiness to the paratha. Adding water in small proportion, knead a soft dough and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's check the ingredients for tawa paneer. I have taken 200 grams of paneer cubes, 3 to 4 slitted green chilies, julienne capsicum or finely sliced, some chopped cabbage, 1 inch grated ginger and a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 cup of fresh curd or plain yogurt. Adding half cup of water, whisk it nicely and keep it aside. 15 minutes later, now divide the dough into medium-sized balls. Then take a ball, coat it with flour and using a rolling pin, roll it out into a thin roti. At this point, drizzle some oil and dust it with some flour. Fold it twice and roll it again into a triangular shape. The paratha should not be too thick or too thin. Into a preheated tawa, carefully place the roti. Cook for 30 seconds on low flame. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil and turn it over. Then place another roti on the top of it and repeat the process. I prefer to make 3 or 4 parathas at a time as it not only saves time but gives soft parathas instantly. A little bit of patience and the result is just awesome. It takes only 5 to 7 minutes to make 3 to 4 parathas at a time. You can see those golden brown patches. My parathas are ready. Now let's prepare tawa paneer. Into the same tawa, add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. It should be an iron tawa. Into the hot oil, add in chopped cabbage. Saute it on high flame for 2 minutes till it turns golden. At this point, I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon of hing and then reducing the flame to its lowest, roast it. Now I am adding in capsicum, slitted green chilies, grated ginger. Mix it well and cook it on low to medium flame for more 2 minutes. Sprinkle some water time to time so that the veggies do not get burned. Now add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Drizzle some more water and cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. As iron tawa retains lots of heat in it, you get this timeless recipe instantly. Now make a space at the center, add in 2 teaspoons of oil along with paneer cubes and cook the paneer on medium to high flame. It requires very less oil to prepare this recipe. Just 4 teaspoons of oil for 4 servings. Then I am adding in yogurt. Season it with some salt and sugar to taste. Give it a nice mix and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. Lastly, garnish with a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Allow it to rest for more 2 minutes. And my delicious tawa paneer is ready to serve. For best taste, serve it hot with methi paratha. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for new video updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.